class 10. Welcome back to the classes now. Let us continue our lesson in English. We have reached lesson 9 from textbook, and we are doing Madam Rides a Bus. And so far we have learned that the little girl who was 8 years old, she was very clever, smart, and she was a good planner. We have learned already. And she wanted to have a bus ride, and she had a strong desire. Her favorite pastime was to stand at the doorway of her house and watch the street all the time. And it was an unending joy for her. She always used to stand there most of the time, as she had no friends to play with. So therefore, a small desire erupted in her heart. Or you can say that she had a small desire to ride on the bus. As she watched the passengers got off and got down or got out, get in, so she was quite interested. She sometimes used to listen to their conversation to gather information about the bus ride, as the desire became stronger and stronger every day. Day by day, her desire to ride on the bus became very strong. So finally, she decided that she must have a bus ride, and for that she collected every coin that came on her way. And at the meantime, her mother used to sleep during the day after lunch from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and she planned and replanned every day, calculated and recalculated most of the time. As her desire to ride on the bus became stronger and stronger, she could not resist. Resist means stop. So now let's see. She had planned, and finally she collected the money. He collected the information, gathered the information after listening to the passengers. From here and there he collected the information that the town was not very far away, and it took 45 minutes to ride on the bus to reach the town, and it took 35 pice for one trip. To go to town, it took 35 pice, and to come from the town to the village, another 35. That means she must have 70 pice, and she collected. She collected the money because she wanted to have the ride. There was a fair in the villages. Many times the fair used to come, but she could not purchase sweets for herself because she had the strongest desire to ride on the bus. So in this way she collected the money. Whoever gave her the money, she used to save it for the bus journey. So now plan for the journey. Now here we have reached number 3 points, and there are A, B, C, D, C. There are 3 points. And number 4, boarding the bus. Again there are 4 points, and there are altogether 11 points. Now we'll talk about plan for the journey. Valli could take 1 o'clock bus because after lunch her mother used to sleep. So she decided that she must take 1 o'clock bus. It will take 45 minutes to reach the town in the afternoon, while her mother sleeps. Every day she sleeps. It was her habit. So afternoon nap she used to take. Her mother sleeps after lunch till 4 p.m. So her mother used to sleep till 4 o'clock in the evening. And that was the time she chose to travel or to have a bus ride. This shows that she was very clever and smart, and she planned properly. She could reach the town at 1:45. It took 45 minutes to reach the town, and she calculated and recalculated. Every day she used to calculate. She used to count the money, how much she had saved, planned and replanned. This shows that she was a good planner. That though she was 8 years old, she was only 8 years old, listen carefully, she saved the money, planned and replanned every day. Her desire to ride on the bus became stronger and stronger. That was the reason. She could be back before her mother wakes up at 4 o'clock. So her calculation was so perfect that she decided that before her mother wakes up, she should be back so that her mother will not know what she had done or where she had gone. Now here, number 4 point, boarding the bus. She could not board the bus right in front of her house. Other people will see and stop her. So she came out from the village, a little away from the village, on the road. She stood there and waited for the bus. When Valli sighted the bus, when the bus came, while the bus was going to town, when the bus came right in front of her, she stood in the middle of the road and said, waved her hand and said, stop, 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 stop the bus. And the bus slowed down. She was quite away from her village because she could not stop or board the bus in the village. Other people will stop her. They will see and complain to her mother. That's why she came out from the village, a little away from the village. She shouted, stop, stop, stop the bus. And the bus slowed down. The bus, number B, the bus slowed down. And the conductor asked her to call whoever is going to town, you call her fast. The conductor was expecting someone else to ride on the bus. See, he thought that the girl is stopping the bus so that someone will ride. But she said, no, 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 nobody is there. I am going to ride the bus. Still standing outside the bus. She was outside the bus stopped. She was outside the bus. She told the conductor that she wanted to go to town. No one is there. When the conductor said, go and call whoever wants to go to the town, call her fast. She said, no, 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 nobody is going. I am going to town myself. So she said that she wanted to go to the town. She also showed the money. If you do not believe me, she said, if you do not believe me, I have the money. You see that? I have the money. She also showed the money she had in her hand, small hand. Little, small, plump hand, red hand. Number C, the conductor stretched his hand. The conductor stretched her hand to pull her up, to help her board the bus. The conductor stretched his hand to pull her into the bus. Valli replied, she said, no, 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 I don't want anybody's help. I can help myself. She was so smart and very smart. Valli replied that she could help herself. She doesn't need anybody's help. So she said that. The conductor was surprised and the few passengers, because it was an off time, it was not a rush hour, it was 1 o'clock. So the conductor was fond of joking. He was a very jolly man. He used to make fun most of the time, and he was a very fond of joking. The conductor was a very jolly man, and there were few passengers in the bus, and asked the other passengers to make way for the little madam. He said, our madam is coming, make way for her, let her sit in the seat. The little girl, the passengers were surprised as she was traveling alone. The passengers looked at her and they were quite surprised. How could a small girl, an 8-year girl, could travel to town alone? A various question arose in their heart. Where she was going, to whom she wanted to meet, why she is going to the town. The passengers had various questions in their mind. And the little girl said, I am not a madam. Then the conductor said, oh, you are not a madam, and you are a small little girl, you are a child. So I am not a child. She also said that I am not a child. Now in our next class, we will do part 4 of this chapter, and you go through the online portal every day. I hope you are not wasting your time at home. Go through your online portal. It doesn't take much time, hardly 5-10 minutes, but it will help you a lot later on. So you cannot read everything at a time. You must read little by little so that you can understand clearly. You do not have to mug up all the question answer. Only thing you need to remember the lesson properly. So that will help you a lot. So you don't have to mug up all the question answer. It will save your time. So that's all for today. We will be doing next in our next class. So thank you for watching and for your presence as well as your attention. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. That's all for today.